Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to add a custom font in Photoshop. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. Then you have to come to your search engine right here. What you need to do is to simply type in that font and press enter key on your keyboard. It takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on the first result right here, and it takes you to the official web page of font.com. You can simply scroll down and get any font of your choice. Let's, for instance, I want to download this particular font and install it and add it to my Photoshop custom font. What we want to do next is to simply make sure we click on download button right here. And in a few seconds, the download folder is going to be prepared, just like what you see right here, and it has been successfully downloaded. Next thing we want to do is to simply exit from our web browser. Then we have to head over to our download folder. So I'm going to simply open up a folder right here. So I'm going to click on a folder just to get the font download. Then I'll head over to my download folder right here. So here we go. We have the font in the zip folder right here. Now we need to make sure we unzip this folder so we can be able to get the right font file from the C. And for us to do that, we need to open up a file separately. I have a font file right here, so I'm going to open up my font folder file right here. I will just double click and open it up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to come to the font zip right here. Then I will simply drag it from here and drag it to my font folder right here. So we have it right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply come back to the zip file, right click on it, and make sure I click on extract here. So just like so, we have the font right here, as you can see. So this is the words we need. True type font file. So double click on it, and this is going to open up. So you can preview the font and see everything. Next thing you want to do is to simply hit on install right here. Just like so, it has been successfully installed. And the name of the font right here is Magul D Norton. What we want to do now is to open up our Photoshop. So I'm going to simply open my Photoshop. All right, after you open up your Photoshop, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to the toolbar right here, click and hold down. And then what you need to do here is to simply choose your, horizontal type tool or vertical type tool, whichever way. But in this tutorial, I'm going to simply click on my horizontal type tool. Then having selected my horizontal type tool, then I'll come to the Photoshop workspace right here. And I will simply make a type. So by default, I'm going to put it in this particular type right here. Then I'm going to press Ctrl A just to select everything. Then I'll come to the font name right here. So I have to simply look for the name of the font that we just download and install on the PC, which is M. So let me just search by alphabet. So M. So let me just simply scroll down. So and look for the font. So the name of the font is MIG. I can't pronounce it. So MIG. So let's check it out. So here's the font right here. I will simply click on it, and from here I can increase the font size as many as possible, and then I can also add interval to the font, just like so. Everything depends on how you want everything, how you want it to look like. I think I'm satisfied with this, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add a custom font in Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.